why do people comment first and nice video and like all this other stuff literally a minute after the video is uploaded? This video is longer than a minute. Like, watch the content. Like, you don't know how good someone's content is unless you watch the full video, because you could be missing out on some good content. I'm not saying my content is good. I'm just saying for those people that actually comment that stuff and like the video and dislike the video within seconds, don't even know what the video is about. They just click on the video, comment, get the hearts and likes. Like, why? I don't get it. I remove those comments because, you know, people don't understand that they really annoy a YouTuber. Yes, I get it. Sometimes YouTubers do these giveaways where if you give out first, like, comment or like, you win money. I don't have the potential to do that. Maybe in the future when I have like 50,000 subs or something. But not now. Anyways, we're a minute in. And today I'll be taking a look at Rocket Racers Michael Rotor, which I got from the Entertainer in the UK. Yes, guys, I found new cars in the UK. I also got my hands on an Eric Baker, but I only got one Eric Baker, so I can't review him for you guys today. You can take a close look at him here if you haven't seen him already. But I do have a second one, and I would show you now, but he's away, like already on my shelf. But I would not open a car unless I had a second one, or no, I'm getting a second one. That is the rule on the channel pretty much, so that's why I'm not doing one on him. If I do manage to find one, I will do it in the future. And today I'll be taking out Rocket Racing Michael Rotor, which I believe at the time was exclusive to Canada stores and France stores, like the usual stuff like that promo Lightning McQueen. But yeah, anyways, here is his package. He looks pretty cool. Of course, the first time we see the Michael Rotor artwork, which looks bit different. But yeah, here's Mattel 3+. Of course, the 3+ of the Mattel logo isn't on this side. We can see the little like try me thing for his wheels, which we will try out later. Michael Rotor with blast wall, of course, Rocket Racing Michael Rotor, just call him that. You can see a little image here of how to work him, and then there's his artwork, his sick diecast inside. Cars logo, Disney Pixar, and of course Rocket Racing with the flames. That looks pretty cool. On the back, this is different packaging to like your usual weather shirt on the back. Michael Rotor blast wall and in a bunch of different languages. Small, no younger than 3-year-olds. Made in Vietnam. Bleh. So you know this car's already going to be looking ugly. 2 minutes into the video, I'll now put the times to speed on and get this review out of the way. That was the quickest times 2 speed ever. Anyways, here is Rocket Racing Michael Rotor, and he looks a bit metallic, but we'll get into that in a sec because we have to show the blast rule or the pit stop barrier, however you like to call it. Here it is. It's just a sticker pretty much. You guys can make these yourselves, really. XOS, checker flag pattern in blue to match Michael, and a 39. And shout outs to Michael's fantastic cars. If you get this far, just comment, I don't know. Comment Moonspin's Caller if you get this far. Just you only. I'm guessing you probably won't watch this video, but if you do, hello. Why am I putting it there? Anyways, here's the diecast. Of course, pretty cool. I actually do like his metallic paint. Like, it looks pretty cool. We've got some other ones here for the Rocket Racing line because he's not the only one. Usual next gen expression, because actually, if you look at his expression, it does look different to his actual Thailand release. Not sure about the China release, but maybe you guys can let me know if it does actually look different. Fenders on the side and then headlights, pretty cool. On the top it says XOS, and on the other side there's XOS/Michael Rotor. The MR means Michael Rotor, by the way. Got the Vietnam ugly eyes, which is actually not that bad on this diecast, not that blurry. 39, again, you've got these rivets here, these holes to make the car go faster, I guess. Here's the side, we've got these like very thin light year rims. XOS 39. Piston cup combustor cover service energy, and I mean, Vietnam, you've done a really good job of making those decals not blurry. I give you praise for that. Look, you can actually read them. They're still blurry. You can actually quite see that they're blurry. But Vietnam, I give you praise. You're getting better. On the back here, we can see the XOS/Michael Rotor again. Viewzine, again, right there, which looks pretty cool. And if you move these back wheels, you can see the flames move, which will show you now. 39 XOS Michael Rotor. And you can move it across. Video's not made for kids, by the way, so you know. I just had to do that because, you know, I don't think kids make those weird noises randomly. Pretty cool. Anyways, made in Vietnam. There's a date stamp. Because it's got these treads on this back wheel. 360 of both of them now. No rookie stripes, metallic paint. And here are some others that are not here currently. Cam Spinner. And Paul Conlev. His name is Paul Conlev. I'm okay, guys. I'm just a bit hyper. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this extra long video. If it is any longer than usual, probably is, because I just chatted about nothing, about comments for 1 minute. Guys and you, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to watch your newest Disney Pixar Cars Diecast reviews. Of course, until the next one, peace, guys.